Good evening, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. So we're going to be continuing our 25 days of Thanksgiving, and we are going to go ahead and make some amazing green beans. We're going to be cooking these in our slow cooker. This way you can get this going earlier in your day and you don't have to worry about it. And then when it's time to eat, you can go ahead and serve it because they will be done. So come on along and I'll show you how we're going to do these green beans. All right, friends, so let's go ahead and get started with our green beans. So you're gonna need 4 cans of green beans already cut. And we're gonna go ahead and dump those right into our pot with the juice. We're gonna go in with our turkey leg and just get that right in there. And that is our smoked turkey leg. So you wanna find a smoked turkey leg because that's gonna give this so much flavor, the smokiness of it. And I have a packet of Lipton's Onion Soup mix, and we're gonna go ahead and pour that right on in there. And of course, black pepper. Now go ahead and give this a nice mix. Make sure everything is well combined. And the best thing about doing this in the Instapot or your slow cooker is you've got so much other things going on Thanksgiving. This one, you can start early and just forget about it. Go ahead and close it, make sure it's locked, and then we're gonna do slow cooker, and we're gonna do for about 6 hours. All right, I'll see y'all back in 6 hours. All right, friends, so our green beans are all done and they smell amazing. Oh, I'm telling you, just the smokiness of it, you can smell. Let's give these a try. So good. To have that pieces of turkey in there, oh my gosh, look at that. So tender. So good. I love green beans. Perfectly seasoned. Not too salty. Got tons of flavor. Friends, you gotta give these green beans a try. All right, friends, thanks for hanging out with me in the kitchen today. Make sure you drop down in the comments and let me know what your favorite way to make green beans is for Thanksgiving. And until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.